Why would Senator Amy Marcos go as far to defend the Dutertes, to stand by the Dutertes, no, over your own brother? You've been quoted as saying, Senator Amy Marcos has said, I cannot bear what was done to President Duterte. And yet, ang tanong ng ilan, what about the Vice President threatening to have your brother assassinated? Or the Vice President threatening to throw your father's remains in the West Philippine Sea? So, people are confused. Bakit siya kumakampi sa hindi niya kamag-anak, kapatid niya, at ang kapatid niya na namumuno ngayon ng bansa, bakit niya inaaway?
Ako, Karen,
ang sagot doon, Senator.
Hindi mo ako magagawang defensive kasi wala akong kasalanan at wala itong kinalaman sa Marcos o Duterte. Sabihin ko ang totoo, ito ay soberanya ng Pilipinas. Hindi ko matanggap eh. I cannot accept what happened. It was clearly a challenge and an insult to our sovereignty, to the functioning courts and our exemplary judges. And I cannot accept that this was the right thing to do. It had very, very little to do with being a Marcos versus the Dutertes. Kinakampihan, sabi mo. Para sa akin, wala akong kinakampihan. Kinakampihan ko ang Pilipinas. Dahil hindi tama ang nangyari. On a personal note, ang nakita ko lamang ang nangyari sa tatay ko. Ganyan na ganyan din ang ginawa sa ama ko, tinangay ang aking pamilya, dinala sa Hawaii, at para sa akin hindi katanggap-tanggap yun. Like President Duterte, my father announced time and again that he was prepared to face any Philippine court, but not a foreign court, given that all the alleged crimes and offenses were committed in Philippine territory against Filipino citizens. Ano naman ang pakialam ng dayuhan sa ating usapin? Nakita naman natin lahat ng tinangay na mga testigo, ang dokumento, lahat ng deposition, nanggaling sa Pilipinas at dinala sa The Hague. Bakit hindi na lang natin ginawa dito? May nagsabi nga sa akin imported na nga yung rice, imported pa yung hustisya. Ano ba nangyayari sa bansa natin? Wala na ba ang Pilipinas?
Okay, also have Duterte's crimes against humanity.
We are not denying. I am not in any way judging, denying. I'm not standing as his attorney. I have no doubt that there are actions that need to be answered for. But to my mind, given that all the alleged crimes were committed in the territory of the Philippines, bakit hindi na lang dito? Kaya naman natin yan kung ano-ano na ang nangyari dito sa atin, bansa, na alam naman natin ang ampatuan, ang mamasapano, ang kung ano-ano na talagang kinakailangan panagutan. At nakita naman natin, nakinaya naman ang husgado natin yan. Bakit naman ito? Takot na takot tayo. Baka kaduwagan na imbes na dito sa Pilipinas, kinakabahan, kaya walang bisa muna yung ating judiciary at tinangay sa ibang bansa. Hindi naman maganda yon. Ayoko naman na sabihin na wala nang pakinabang dito. Isara na natin lahat ng korte.
Okay.
So, para sa akin, wala ito sa pamilya eh. At pinipilit nila na pumanig ako sa kaapelyido ko o pumapanig sa mga kaibigan ko. Walang ganun eh. Para sa akin, ang tama ay tama, ang mali ay mali.
Okay.
So, paglaban ng tama, itama ang mali. Sorry na lang, magtiisa na lang tayo dyan.
Alright, Senator, sinabi niyo ilaban ang tama, ang mali ay mali. And yet, you have Vice President Sara Duterte endorsing you. And the sitting Vice President, frankly speaking, refuses to answer or to account for how she spent confidential funds. She has names in her confidential funds like Mary Grace Piatos. I mean, pagkain na yung maraming nakapirma doon sa mga resibo. Pera po ng bayan yun. So, ang tanong rin ng marami on social media, why would you tolerate the Vice President refusing to hold herself into account, and here you are defending her and having your hand, kumbaga inendorso ka po pa niya. Don't you think she should answer?
I don't know when I defended her. Hindi ako nagtatanggol sa kanya tungkol dito sa kung ano-anong aligasyon tungkol sa confidential funds. First of all, hindi ako pwede mag-comment dyan kasi kung sakasakali, itutuloy na yan at manalo ako, magiging huwes ako dyan. So I'm unable to comment on that. And I certainly haven't defended her. Dahil I think she's more than competent to defend herself. She has a whole slew of lawyers all set to go. And I think we will have to hear the evidence when it finally reaches the Senate, and if I do finally reach the Senate.